So I'm gonna pull this cover off so we can check out the damage. See all the repair that we got to do. There's some of the front end damage. So, got some of the grommets still on. Can literally see down there and around how that fairing came off. Then we have some damage to the radiator. Literally ripped out the resistor. You can see down here where the bottom fairing got taken off at, but no real undercarriage damage. Holding on for dear life. Got the fronts in here. Definitely gonna need a new decent little wash when we're done with this. But for the back, this is really just dirty. But you can see there's no real damage to the back. And this one's great. Then we have the right rear set snapped off at the assembly. Looks like we got a little bit of scuff back here for the passenger footrest, but it's really honestly no biggie to me. We ain't gonna touch that. Right side fender all scratched up. Right handlebar snapped off. Got the replacement for that also, as well as the brake lever replacement for that. Mirror scuffed up a little bit. Thinking about a change for those, honestly, since I've had the bike, but don't really know what direction I want to take with that, so that's still to be continued. But yeah, honestly, that's it for the damage.
Let's do this.
A few moments later.
front piece on. Front piece on without the additional 2 screws yet. About to put those on in a second, but just show you the rough fit without it. How those screws line up. See, I mean, both of those tabs are in for the most part, but you can see that hole isn't perfect, but it's just there. But yeah.